Hi everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. I'm Tamir and I'd like to introduce you to our January coupon bonanza. We are going to kick off the new year with a bunch of codes. You could see them below here. And this is on the heels of us re-releasing our website. We want you to see all the new things that we've added to it. For example, you could now download your manual so you can see what it is, how simple it is to operate before you buy it. We have a bunch of new operating videos, which are also available on the product page itself, in addition to an easier to navigate website. If you have any questions or if you need any extra help, call our American-based team anytime at 866-966-5550. If you want to speak to me, I'm Tamir. I'm always around, and it'll be my honor to earn your business. Oh, and by the way, check out our thousands and thousands of five-star Trustpilot reviews. I say it every time, to have 2,600 plus reviews that are verified is insane. In any case, whip on over to TadiBrothers.com. Take a look at that. Below here, you'll see all the coupons. If you want other types of deals, don't forget to sign up for our emails. We have a lot of product-specific deals going out sporadically throughout the month. Again, our number is 866-966-5550. I'm Tamir. Happy New Year, and as always, safe travels. Bye-bye.